Merry Christmas! Do you like my robe is what I was gonna say because that's what I just had on, but this is an apron. Today, we're making holiday tea. What does that even mean? Pomegranate white tea is what we're making. I love this tea, oldie but a goodie. Am I right? I am right. I'm always right. That's a bold-faced lie. I am not always right. How amazing is this robe? It's not a robe. It's not a robe. It's an apron. The reason I think I'm wearing a robe is because I'm not wearing pants. Okay, yeah, so holiday tea, we're making tea. Oh, please, this is extremely important that you remember. So white tea is a very delicate tea. So you don't want to go boiling your water like crazy and use it to brew the tea. Steep the tea, brew the tea. I don't know, however you want to do it. Do you want to steep? Do you want to brew? I don't know. You pick your thing. So I'm going to brew the tea. I don't know. You brew coffee, steep tea. Fudge, I don't know what I'm saying. Just, you make the tea. That's it. That's all I had to do.